Hello friends, welcome to Damu Education. If not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this module, we are going to discuss our 14th question, sorry. A game consists of tossing a 1 rupee coin 3 times. How many times? 3 times. 1 rupee coin 3 times and recording its outcome each time. Hanif wins if all the tasks give the same result. Hanif wins all the tasks will give the same result. Either it will be all tiles or it will be either all heads. That is 3 heads or 3 tiles, and loses otherwise. Calculate the probability that Hanif will lose the game. So first of all, we have to how he will win and how he will lose. So let's going to take 3 times, right? Tile and head tile. So what are the possible outcomes here? So what are the possible outcomes? So here how many are there? 3 times. So 3 times cos is joint. Then head tile, head tile, head tile. First time, second time, third time. So this is the case here. Then what is the 3 times, right? Time. First, second, third. So what is the 3 times tossing? What are the possible outcomes? We have to check it here. First time. So what are the possible outcomes? The possible outcomes are total possible outcomes for 3 times toss the coin. Toss the coin. So first time head, head, head. Second, first with the head only, second with the head, then third is tile. Then third time head. So head here, head is over tile. So tile and head. Fourth time head, tile, tile. So these are the possible outcomes with this head with the. So for the first one, so how many head, 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 tile, and head, tile, head, and head, tile, tile. So these are the things. Then fifth time tile, 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 head, head, head. Then sixth tile, head, tile. Then seventh time tile. What is the case here? Tile, head, and eighth time tile, tile, tile. So how many possible outcomes here? There are possible total number of possible sample space. This is the sample space. N of S will be equal to 8. 8 possible outcomes. So 3 times if you twice. So this is first time. So 3 times in the case. So first case, second case, if he will get the chances. Either he will get all the heads or head, head, tile. So these are the possible outcomes with the using of this. So first time coin, second time, third time, these are the possible outcomes. Then first one, he will get. So let's going to take event. Event. E is the event. Let E is the event that Hanif will win the game. Win the game. That is either 3 heads, 3 tiles. Either 3 heads and 3 tiles will come. So what are the cases here? 3 heads and 3 tiles will come. That is first case, second case. So these are the 2 cases. So that is, what is that here? Sample space event will be H, H, H is the first one. Then tile, tile, tile is the second one. So N of E, that will be equal to 2. 1 and 2. N of E will be equal to 2. So probability that Hanif will win the game. So probability Hanif will the game, that is P of E will be equal to N of E by N of S. So N of E is 2, N of S is by 8. 2 ones are, then 2 fours are, 1 by 4. 1 by 4. So this is the case here. Then what is the second one? That is probably that Hanif will not win. So let's going to take probability that Hanif probability that Hanif will lose the game. So not E. So probability of getting not E, that is probability of getting, that is 1 minus P of E. So 1 is what? 1 minus P of E is 1 by 4, that is 4 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. That is 3 by 4. Probability that Hanif will lose the game. Hanif will lose the game. So 4 minus 1 by 4, that is 3 by 4. He will lose. Another method is there. So what is the other method? So probability of not he is not equal to number of not he cases. He will lose the game and n of s. So how many cases? So either he will lose, he win here. These are the winning things. Then what is the losing? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 are there. 6 by 8. 2 3s are, then 2 4s are, that is 3 by 4. In this all he will lose. Losing cases. So in all these cases lose. For the 3 times try. 3 times tossing. So this is the case 3 times. If you 4 times also you can extend here. 5 times also we can extend here. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe and try to share with your friends and family members.